Ed Sheeran sang and played guitar in a packed New York courtroom at a civil trial being held to decide whether he copied Marvin Gaye's Let's Get It On. During the trial on Thursday, Ed Sheeran picked up his guitar and launched into a tune that has him locked in a copyright dispute over Marvin Gaye's soul classic, Let's Get It On, as the only audience that mattered, a jury, looked on. Sheeran was an hour into testimony in Manhattan federal court when his lawyer, Eileen Farkas, pressed him to tell how he came to write Thinking Out Loud a decade ago, reported news agency Associated Press. He grabbed his guitar and explained that writing a song was second nature to him. He said he used his own version of phonetics to create songs and could write up to 9 in a day. Sheeran claimed that last weekend he wrote 10 songs. Watch, Ed Sheeran wins copyright war over his Grammy hit, Shape of You, after London court's verdict. Then he sang just a few words of the pivotal tune, bringing smiles to the faces of some of the spectators in the courtroom of Judge Louis L. Stanton. I'm singing out loud, he sang, loud enough to be heard but not raising decibels in the court. He said he collaborated on the song with a co-writer, Amy Wadgay, who wrote the opening chords. Sheeran has performed with some of the world's great artists and become a regular at music award shows by age 32. He also reportedly told the packed courtroom, I'm not the world's most talented guitar player. Sheeran he told his story, saying, I can't read music. I'm not classically trained in anything. Read, Ed Sheeran awaits verdict over copyright court battle. One draw inspiration a lot from things in my life and family, said Sheeran was quoted by the BBC as saying. He denied that he had been influenced by Gaye's legendary 1973 R&B hit. He also said the song had been inspired by his grandparents' love for each other, his grandfather's recent death and a new romantic relationship he had just begun. Then he launched into the song that airs of Ed Townsend, Gaye's co-writer on Let's Get It On, say has striking similarities, and over common elements, to the famed 1973 Gaye musical treasure, the AP reported. He had also said a video that showed he had say good on stage between Thinking Out Loud and Let's Get It On was not unusual, adding it was quite simple to weave in and out of songs that are in the same key. Near the end of his testimony, Sheeran was asked by his lawyer why an expert called by the plaintiffs had tried to show how chords in Thinking Out Loud resemble Let's Get It On. He was saying that because it helps his argument, Sheeran said. The trial will resume on Monday. Read, Ed Sheeran in India. The audience goes crazy as the pop star sings Shape of You.